Welcome to Springfield, an idyllic 85-acre property nestled in the green rolling hills of Tregeagle. With a charming farm cottage and excellent infrastructure to run cattle, the acreage offers the rare advantage of income-producing potential with the appealing option of building a brand new hinterland home. Featuring pockets of rainforest, waterfalls and ocean views, this stunning property rests just 13 minutes to Alstonville. Set atop the property, the picture-perfect cottage has been beautifully updated and features a warm country charm. With lovely timber floors throughout, the home boasts a cosy lounge room with a wood fireplace and a light-filled dining room connecting to the amazing rear deck. Here you can take in spectacular hinterland views. Separating the two living areas is a stylish kitchen with beautiful brass fittings, timber bench tops and a farmhouse sink. With 3 generous bedrooms and a large bathroom, the home is perfect for families or a couple. The property is currently run as a premium stud farm and features 8 fully fenced paddocks on lush undulating grasslands, a new bore with a 5 megalitre water licence, flowing creek and waterfalls. The extensive farm infrastructure includes multiple sheds as well as a premium covered Borden Brothers cattle crush and race with scales. Leading down the long gravel driveway, you'll find a large level site ready for a new dwelling, subject to council approval. With a stunning outlook through the hinterland to the ocean and Evans Head in the distance, this site is a perfect place to create your dream acreage homestead. Just 1 minute to local schools, 5 minutes to Alstonville and 10 minutes to Bar, this picturesque property offers a dream lifestyle opportunity with excellent income potential. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.